Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Valorant on your computer, okay? So if you're watching this on your MacBook, your iOS, please stay on the video because even though I'm using a Microsoft OS right now, it's literally the same process if you're using Apple devices, okay? So let's get started right here. So as you can see, I'm currently using Microsoft Edge, so if you want to use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or even Bing, please do so, okay? So the first thing I want you to go through is going to be Riot, okay? Once you click on Riot right there, it will be redirected on this website and click on the very first result, which is Riot Games developer of League of Legends and Valorant. So we're downloading first its launcher. So we cannot download Valorant as itself, it needs launcher, which is going to be Riot. Now if you don't want to go here on this Riot Games, just hit directly Valorant on this section right there. It's going to be playvalorant.com. This is exactly the website you want to go through, and this is going to be the link. Okay, and this is the landing page, and simply click on play free. If you click on play free right there, choose if you have an account for Riot, of course, click sign in. If you don't have an account, make one. So click sign in right there, and then just sign in your account. That being said, after signing in, it should be downloading on this section right here. If you cannot say it as of now, so you need to download Riot first. Anyway, if you click play now over here, you need to sign in right there. And then, again, please sign in and then the website or the application should be downloading on your download section. After clicking the install button right there, you're good to go. And that's how you download Valorant on your PC. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys with the next one. Bye for now.